a natural superfood that promotes the optimal healing of the body and mind. Referred to as Amrit Phal in Ayurveda, meaning the nectar fruit. Beneficial for all body types and can be consumed in all weather conditions. Also a sacred tree of India, worshipped during the festival of Dashera. Hello friends, Namaste, Jai Jinesh. My name is Aditya. Today I'll be sharing the benefits of world's best vitamin C berry known as Amla. In this video we will also see a recipe of making Amla candy that is the most convenient way of all year long use and would be cherished by the children in your house too. It is so easy that I am pretty sure this year you're gonna try making it at home. If you aren't using Amla, then luckily this video is for you. Do watch to know the miraculous health benefits of Amla. As said that, Amla is considered nature's most powerful resource of vitamin C. And since vitamin C is least stable of all vitamins, it is oxidized readily in light, air and when heated. During making of Chyawanprash, we saw that the amlas are boiled to make paste and then that paste is roasted in cow's clarified butter until it turns dark brown. So what do you think? Does vitamin C remain intact? Yeah, we should not doubt nature's intelligence. It has provided us with amblycannin A and amblycannin B in amla. Amblycannins are a type of polyphenol found in amla and they are known as analogues of vitamin C in scientific terms. They do not get destroyed by boiling, heating or exposing into the sun rays. These compounds are 10 times more beneficial than vitamin C for enhancing immunity and preventing disorders. Therefore, amla can be used in any form, raw, cooked, dried, powdered, with all its benefits remaining intact. They are very rare superfoods or superherbs that can be used in such a variety of ways. But as amla is available during the winter season only, so firstly we will see how to preserve amla for a long time use by making amla candy, which is one of the easiest ways, and then we will know its benefits further. Take fresh amlas, boil them for a few minutes as they get softer. Do it on a slight flame. You will start seeing cracks separating the amla buds. Softening the amla would facilitate you to remove each bud of amla easily with bare hands. Now take the same amount of sugar as the weight of amlas. Stack amla and sugar together into a jar. Osmosis would begin and gradually amla would lose water content and start absorbing sugar. You can see that by the time I separate all the seeds, the sugar in this jar has started turning into a syrup. Put your jar or the container into the sun for 2-3 days. You can taste an amla bud to check its bitterness. If required, add some more sugar and leave in the sun for 2 more days. Thereafter, remove the pieces of amla from the sugary liquid. Spread them on a tray or plate and let them dry again in proper sunlight. Once they are dried, your amla candy would be ready. To add a flavor, aroma and more medicinal properties, I prefer to sprinkle Prakshep on amla candy. Remember, we talked about Prakshep while making Chyawanprash, that it's a fine powder of 7 herbs in equal quantity. When your amla candy is dried, this is how it looks, with Prakshep and without Prakshep. There is an alternate way you can make amla candy faster. Instead of sun drying, you can do it over the stove too. The only thing is that over stove, osmosis happens quickly and amla absorbs more sugar. Whereas during sun dry, osmosis happens naturally and amla sustains its bitterness a little, which I personally like more. Now let's talk about amla benefits. Acharya Charak mentioned in Charak Samhita that if a person post Panchakarma procedure relates his routine with amla, such as sleeping under amla tree and consuming amla, after 2 months he and she would turn to be healthy, disease-free and disease-resistant for a long time. Nature has given 5 ras in the amla out of all the 6 ras that exist. Amla is tridoshik, balances Vat, Pitta and Kapha doshas in our body. Amla is good for digestive system. Proper digestion keeps 90% of the disorders at arm's length. According to Ayurveda, the process of digestion, absorption, assimilation and excretion is controlled by Pitta dosh. Amla is an excellent herb for controlling Pitta dosh. It is helpful in conditions like anorexia, low digestive fire, constipation, intestinal worms, liver diseases, and acidity. Amla is also added into a class of laxatives, making it a good natural detox superfood. Amla is good for eyes. Consuming amla and rinsing eyes with triphala water, which consists of harad, bher, and amla in equal quantity, prevents macular degeneration and promotes a better eyesight. Eyes are one of the most stressed organs in the current lifestyle. So amla is a sure remedy. Amla is good for the circulatory system. It is an excellent source of vitamin C and therefore mainly prescribed to the patient of heart disorders. It helps in blockages of blood flow to the heart, hypertension, and blood purification. Erythropoiesis is also a pivotal characteristic of amla, which makes it so special due to the presence of iron and helps patients suffering from anemia. Take amla juice regularly to increase hemoglobin and red blood cells. Amla is good for reproductive system. Feminine issues like leukorrhea, uterine prolapse, and menstruation are treated by this wonderful berry. Amla mainly acts as an aphrodisiac and increases sperm count and their motility. It helps to rejuvenate male and female reproductive system. Amla is good for skin. Amla exfoliates the dead cells, removes damaged tissues, cleanses your skin, works in anti-aging, improves your complexion, prevents pigmentation, pimples, acne, and also helps in skin tightening and toning. Then what all you need for a better skin? Amla is good for hair. For problems like graying of hair, hair fall, dandruff, split ends, hair roughness and dullness, amla has a solution. Besides consuming amla, you can grind 2 amlas to a fine paste and directly apply it over your scalp. Amalgamation of herbs like basil, ritha, shikakai and henna would give you better results. Amla is known as the oldest hair conditioner. These are the potent benefits which you are going to observe a real difference with the use of amla. Fresh amla juice, amla powder, triphala powder, chawanprash, amal ki rasayan, amla candy, amla pickle are the ways you can make amla part of your life. So season or no season, use amla all year long and stay healthy. Hope you like the video. Do let me know your views in the comment section and please help me to grow the channel with more subscriptions. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Jinendra.